them off. Reese, what are you doing, buddy?
I got 3.
I know. How'd you end up with 3 bracelets?
I don't know. One kid gave me.
Well, that's nice of everyone. Did you say thank you? Yeah, don't forget to say thank you. People are being nice to you, say thank you. Kennedy, come sit back down with me.
I didn't throw it at you.
Come sit back down, Kennedy. Hey, Reese, you're right in front of the fireworks. You're in the way, you're in the way. Thank you. All right, good job, buddy. You're blocking my camera view. Come sit back down, guys. There it goes.